Apple AirPods 3 leak suggests launch on May 18th, Apple Music Hi-Fi to also arrive. Apple introduced the new iPad, new iMac, new Apple TV, and the brand new AirTag at its spring-loaded event. But there was one product that was not a part of the launch announcement, the AirPods 3. Rumors have pointed towards the launch of third-generation AirPods for a long time, but the iPhone maker seems to be taking more time. That might end if a new rumor is anything to go by. A new sketchy leak now suggests that the Apple AirPods 3 might arrive on May 18th. YouTuber Luke Miani, via AppleTrack, has claimed that the third-generation AirPods will indeed be launched this month. He has also suggested that Apple may introduce a new Hi-Fi plan for Apple Music subscribers. In addition to this rumor, AppleTrack, the website that spoke to Miani, has claimed it has separately heard Apple is planning a May launch for the next AirPods. It is obvious that the rumor by Miani will be treated with skepticism, mainly because he does not have a track record in the world of Apple-related leaks. But what he is saying is something that several other sources have hinted at. Another publication, Hits Daily Double, cited its sources to say that Apple may also introduce a premium plan called Hi-Fi for Apple Music users to offer them new high-fidelity audio quality to match Spotify's Hi-Fi tier that is due for arrival later this year. The Apple Hi-Fi plan seems real. Some enthusiasts who tinkered with the iOS 14.6 beta code found evidence that Apple Music will soon offer a Hi-Fi plan with Dolby Audio support. Right now, it is a bit difficult to assume what plans Apple may have for its audio hardware and software category. And contrary to what Miani has predicted, Apple may as well choose to unveil the new Apple Music Hi-Fi plan and the AirPods 3 at the upcoming WWDC event in June.